Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this one, I'm going to tell you how you can install the LED notification light application in the Realme X2 device. So right now you can see I'm using the Realme X2 and which doesn't have any LED notification light in the mobile phone, and definitely using this kind of application will help you to use this kind of LED notification light in your smartphone. And don't forget to subscribe, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the best wallpapers what I'm using currently. So you can see which is a punch hole device, and they do have different kind of wallpapers suitable for different kind of notch and punch hole mobile phones. So try to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers, so you can find very good interesting wallpapers. So links available in the description below, so try to check the links below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And let's get started with this application, which is available in the Google Play Store, so that directly you can download from the Play Store. So the reason why I decided to do this application review, because previously when I did a review on LED notification light, and few users they do ask me how to get the LED notification light in the mobile phones. So that's why I decided to do another review on that one. So let me open the application name, what it's called. So it is available in the Play Store by the name of Notify Buddy. So let me try to increase brightness. So you can see this is the application name, so which is available in the Google Play Store, so you can download that. And if your mobile is of AMOLED panel, then this application will be very good, suitable for the AMOLED panels only. So even for the IPS LCD panels, they do work perfectly, but the battery consumption will be a little bit of high. But normal for the AMOLED panel, this is not the case. Battery consumption is not that too high in my usage, so that is what I noticed. So once you are in the application, you do get different kind of options to choose which application you want to enable. So this is pretty straightforward. So first you need to give permission for the few settings for this application. So once you give permissions to those, then definitely you can enable the LED notification light, and here you can select the what applications you want and which color you want as well. So right now you can see yellow color, and different settings you can choose. And if you go to the settings, if you scroll down, there is a option for show LED when charging as well. So once you enable this option, then definitely you can get the LED notification light even while charging as well. The good thing is that you can increase and decrease the size of the LED notification light, whatever you want, the size, desirable size you want. So this is a very good useful feature which is present here. So try to join in the Telegram group, so where I'll be posting this APK file as well. So even you can choose the which circle you want. And once you selected everything, then definitely this is how it looks, the LED notification light when you get any notification in your mobile phone. So this is so far the best application I found in the Android Play Store, which works pretty fine and without any problem, as you can see. So in this way you can use the LED notification light in the Realme X2 device or any other smartphone. So if you want, I can do the same kind of review in other smartphones as well. So definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video, friends. Don't forget to check the links in description for the wallpapers. Bye.